My name is Daniella. I'm 35 years old and mum to 2 children. Today I had porridge for breakfast and it has basically stopped all the rest of the plans that I had for today because the bloating I had after eating this was so severe that I couldn't get any normal trousers on. Fruit sometimes does it to me, vegetables can do it, different clothes that I wear can do it. When it's bad like it is today, I'm embarrassed to actually go out because I think people are looking at me, especially if I'm wearing running leggings. At the moment my tummy, I'm just going to show you, is severely bloated.
When I think about the causes of bloating, there are actually quite a lot. I like to try and classify things. It doesn't always work, but essentially you have taking in too much air, you have production of too much gas inside, or gas being trapped in the wrong place. So if I start with the first one, taking in too much air. If people swallow air when they're eating, they may end up getting trapped wind and bloated. The second one is creating too much gas inside, and that's often due to eating the wrong food, and there are a whole series of foods which cause that. And the other issue about creating too much gas is people are constipated. They will end up fermenting the contents and getting bloated. And as far as the third one is concerned, food getting trapped, there are certain types of foods which trap air, particularly foods containing bread or wheat.
So I didn't manage to film at all yesterday because I felt absolutely terrible. My tummy was playing up and spasming all day long. I didn't eat anything. I was drinking water, but that was all. And obviously having a young toddler in the house, it was really difficult to do anything. I've had some gluten-free oat cakes and some fresh fruit for breakfast. My bloating, well, it's hard to tell actually if I've got bloating or not because my stomach's so swollen off the spasms.
Cramping pain in the abdomen is often caused by trapped wind or by the gas bubbles that are there getting too big and distending the bowel. When we feel that distension, that causes the pain and also causes the bowel to contract, which is what causes the spasms. I've got one really simple piece of advice for a busy mother: look after yourself. You're much better if you look after yourself for your children, and that means taking time to eat your meals. Don't rush around, sit down, and that will help you to eat without swallowing too much air, reduce the amount of bloating, and it'll also make you feel calmer.